Hey, what's going on? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Hopefully, everybody is doing well. And you've been going through a lot of my videos, getting a lot of different content, ideas, strategies, and seeing what different programs I'm in. So, today, what I wanted to do is just briefly go over the differences between two different programs I'm in. They're both direct mail marketing. One is Impact Mailing Club, and one is Passive Profits. Both of them are run by friends of mine, people I've known for a long time, have a lot of respect for. They've done a lot of big things in the internet marketing world. So I don't like one more than the other, but they do have different things that I do like about them. And that's what I wanted to get into. So, Impact Mailing Club. The reason I like that program is because they have what we call tier 2 payments. So when you bring somebody into the business and they start working the business and they start getting payments, well, some of that payment is going to come to you. They're going to get a little form. Well, I should say that the people that they're mailing their forms out to, it'll have different options on there. Box one will obviously go to them because you're their sponsor. Box two is you, and then box three is the company. Okay. So what happens is part of that payment that they're sending in to join the company will come to you. So as you build a team and people are actually doing what they need to do to make that business successful, you're going to start getting tier 2 payments, whether or not you're doing anything. So there could come a point in time in your business where it's like, I don't have any postcards out. I don't have any flyers. I haven't been doing any marketing. I've just been busy. There's things going on in my family, whatever the heck is going on. But as long as your team is still working, tier 2 payments could come in. That's why I really like Impact Mailing Club. Now, Passive Profits is a brand new program. And the reason why I like them is that they have phone closers. So when you send out your postcard, there'll be a little phone number on there with your ID, your special ID. And if people want, they can call. And if somebody's there, they'll pick up or they can leave a message. And one of those closers will call back and talk to that person for you and let them know what the company is about, how direct mail works, how you make money in this business, and they'll close that sale out for you. So Passive Profits is actually, let me put it this way. This is good if you're a full-time internet marketer. This is good if you still have a full-time job. Why? Because if you're building a team and you have time, you're at home, you're training them, then Impact Mailing Club is good for you. If you have a job and you just want to mail out postcards, you don't have time to really talk or build team or recruit or anything, then that's fine. This is good for you. You send out your postcards. When people call that number, the closers will close them out. You'll get paid. Okay. And then, at some point, this side can work this side can work this side. So let's just say you have a full-time job. You're using the phone closers. After you make so much money, then, you could join me in Impact Mailing Club too, because it never hurts to have multiple income streams, right? So those are the two primary differences. Now, what is direct mail? Direct mail is when you send things through the mail, postcards, flyers, people get them, they read what the company is about. And in this case, both companies provide education and lead generation. So they provide you with business leads so you can grow your business. And then what they also do is they teach you a lot of things. So for example, Profits, which is run by Ontarian Hawkins, he teaches a lot of different ways to make money online, how to build sales funnels, how to do different type of marketing. And Rose Almeida, who runs Impact Mailing Club, same thing. The other day, she was teaching us Facebook ads, which is really cool because if you try to go find a Facebook ads coach, some of them charge thousands, like literally thousands of dollars to learn how to do Facebook ads. But just being in this program, she had a webinar the other night for the paid members, and she taught us different ways that she does Facebook ads to grow her business. That alone is worth the cost of entry in here. And the thing is, there's different levels. So it doesn't matter where you come in at, it's wherever it's comfortable and affordable for you. So Impact Mailing Club starts at $100. Actually, both programs, I believe, do start at $100. And they have levels that go all the way up. Okay, another reason that I like Passive Profits, one of their good selling points is that if somebody comes in, like let's just say, I am at the $1,000 level in Passive Profits. Okay, so they have 100 to 100, 300, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000. I believe those are the levels. Now, let's say that you wanted to come in under me, but you're like, hey, Nick, I actually have some extra money. I was thinking about getting in at the $2,000 level. Will that be okay, or will you miss out? No, I actually won't miss out. That's what I like about passive profits. So what happens there is that they will pay me my 50% commission. That's how much they pay, 50%. So I'll still make my money on the level that I'm at, which is $1,000. The rest of it passes up to the company. Whereas in other companies, not IMC, but there's other companies out there where you lose the commission completely. Now, Rose is really cool, and her staff. So if somebody does want to come in at a higher level, they will call you and reach out to you and say, "Hey, Nick, one of your people wants to come in at a higher level. I know you're not at that level, but we wanted to give you a chance to go ahead and upgrade so you don't miss out on that sale." So they'll do that. So there's benefits to both programs. And remember, the big benefit to IMC is those tier two payments. You build a team and those people start going to work and going to town, you're going to be making all these tier two commissions in spite of what you do. And like I said, in passive profits, you got the phone closer and you don't miss out on sales. Even if somebody comes in at a higher level, you'll still be paid something. So like I said, there's definite, there's benefits to both programs. I love both programs. I like the people that run them. I learn a lot from them. I respect them both. So anyways, so what's the benefit to working with me? So in Impact Mailing Club, or whichever level. So if you come in at, I want to say on passive profits, you come in at the $1,000 level, and IMC, if you come in at, is it the $2,000 level, because they have different structures. Whatever the case may be, I will build you your own website. Well, my team will. I have a person that I work with, and she builds all of my websites for me. And then she also installs an autoresponder. So that's going to save you money right off the bat. You don't have to pay somebody to build your website. You don't have to pay a third party email marketing service like Aweber or GetResponse. You don't have to have that monthly cost. So for 1 year, I'll take care of that for you. And even after the year, it's less than $100 for the entire year to have that autoresponder and website. So as long as business is still going good for you, you want to keep those things, there'll be things you can do there. And like I said, I'm flexible. If after a year, if you want to do something different, just let me know. But what I want to do is make sure I set you up to succeed. So when you get into these two programs, I'm going to give you the website, the email autoresponder, plus 10 days of follow-up emails. So that way, you have to remember, not everybody's going to buy something the first time they see it. Maybe they're busy, maybe they forget about it. But as long as those emails come in every few days, there's a chance that they'll look at it again and get back with you. Or maybe it's just, maybe they actually like it, but maybe financially they just can't get involved. But as long as those emails come in, at least you stay at the top of their mind. And even though we give you 10 emails, you can go out, you can also send emails yourself. So don't just worry about that follow-up. Maybe after the 10 days, you want to add a few more emails, or just email your list once in a while, just to let them know that, hey, we're doing really good in this company. Like I said, you could share success. Go in the groups for both of these. If somebody has a success story, share it in your email. Just say, hey, somebody in our company did really well. If you want these type of results, go ahead and contact me. I'll get you plugged in. So when you join my team, not only to get the websites, you'll get a free consultation call with me. So I can get you set up, and if you have any questions, you need any strategy, I'm always there. We're going to have another group for my team, so I can help you guys with other things. So I've been an internet marketer full-time for almost 5 years now. I've made multiple six figures online. Email marketing is my specialty, but I've also done a lot of other different things. So I'll be able to help you guys with whatever you need. You need help with Facebook ads, you need help posting on Craigslist, you need help writing stories and everything. So the three things that I'm most passionate about is storytelling, copywriting, and branding. So usually things that have involved writing. So I'll be able to write things on your guys' behalf, set up autoresponder sequences, follow-ups. There's a lot of different things we can work. So like I said, as these two programs are starting to come together for me, I'm going to do a lot with them. And like I said, if you're like, well, Nick, I wanted to get into both programs, but I also wanted both websites, but I can't get in at those levels. Don't worry about it. Let me know what you can do. I'll work something out. If you can come in at this level, maybe a level lower, and at this a level lower, then it's worth it for me to still make those websites for you, because I know that you're invested in your business, and maybe you'll buy some traffic from me. So if you go to nixclicks.biz, that's my traffic website. If you need to buy any clicks to build your list, I'm there for you as well. You're also going to get a discount, 10% less than the prices on my website, also negotiable on those things too. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I don't want to confuse you all because I'm talking about two different programs, but hopefully I did explain it well. If you can, leave me a comment below. Let me know where you're from. Let me know if you have any questions. I do get back to everybody. So if you can, like the video, comment, share it if you can, subscribe to my channel. That would be really great. I'm really trying to spend more time on YouTube, get more content out. Like I said, I've been an internet marketer for over 5 years now. I've been more of a behind the scenes guy. I'm just getting to this point where I'm getting my YouTube channel going so I can share more value with you all, teach you different things I'm doing, teach you different skill sets. It's not all about what programs I'm in. There's videos where I actually just want to give you guys value and teach you things. I think last night I did a video on Gumroad, so you might want to check that out. That's a platform that doesn't charge you any monthly fees or any money up front, and you can build your own products and sell it on there. So just really cool things. Sometimes if I'm reading a book that is would be conducive for my channel and for you all to read, I'll share with you that book. Maybe it's on lead generation, maybe it's on business mindset. I read a lot of books, so I'm going to start doing some more book reviews on here. So like I said, subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of different things you're going to be able to learn from me. Also connect with me on Facebook, and you'll have my Skype ID. So there's different ways to get a hold of me. Email, I try to get back to everybody 24 to 48 hours at the most. And yeah, just go through my videos. You can learn more about direct mail marketing, email marketing, e-commerce, print on demand, a lot of different fields that I've been in. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas, and I will chat with you soon. Take care. Bye.